What happened? Sudsy, did he come? Where'd that come from?
It comes from Santa.
From Santa? And what's this? Santa left treats? Yes, you may have those. Santa brought those for you.
Go over and see if he ate it.
Go look, did he eat it?
He did it.
Oh, where'd the cookie go?
Why did it at the carrots?
They didn't. What happened here?
Oh no.
It looks like they ate some of it, didn't they? Where'd the milk go?
Mom, can you open the present?
Yes, yes, you can open them. They're all for you. Santa brought them for you, Suds. Where do you start?
A guitar.
A guitar. Your very own guitar.
I can open this.
Oh boy, do you need help?
I need help.
You don't need help? You get to open all of these today,
Can I
Sudsy.
fold your jammies up so you can walk? Come here a second. Okay, so then that way you can walk.
That's what.
A guitar.
And a dump truck.
Dump truck.
You know what? I think that dump truck is from Ducky.
Truck's from Ducky, yeah.
I think I'll open our present.
Yep,
Yes,
let's
now
open them.
Today's the day.
Get to it. Start opening. Where? Oh, there's so many. That's probably the least exciting, but that'll be fine.
Mommy, I can open this one. Or I can open this one.
Mm-hmm.
I opened this one.
You're opening that one. What is it? Those are knee pads and elbow pads.
Yeah.
And you wear those when you're doing something special.
Now I can do this one. Oh, a fire truck.
What is it?
Fire truck.
What's under there?
Wait, like this.
Billy Blaze's fire truck?
Yeah.
We'll pull it out.
Yeah, that's your open this.
Okay.
They know what's in here.
I don't know. Only Santa knows.
Mommy, do they know what's in here for you?
No, Santa only brings presents for you, mister. Not for grown-ups.
For yellow? You know what this is?
What is it? Let's keep opening.
Cars.
Cars.
Yeah. Car.
Whoa. What is it? Push this button here. What's that do? It's a construction vehicle.
Look, I got.
Oh my gosh, look at that. How neat. Do you want me to open the box? It is
And I can get something
It's
for
just-
you, Yummy.
He pulled it off.
I can get something for you.
Billy Blazes. And I said, well, pull it out of there. He goes, not yet. And brought this over and opened it.
Here, one for you.
Oh, thank you. That's yours, though.
So these are all for you
These
from
are all
Santa.
For you.
What an exciting
I'm
day.
there to open it.
Sure.
Oh,
What is it?
Do you know what that is?
present.
It is a present.
I know the present. It's a package. Oh, that's my own package.
Your own bouncy thing.
Yeah. Gotta bring that back to me.
Santa brought it to you. That looks like a slinky.
And that's my own cookie. That's your own cookie.
Yeah. Let me
And
open
I can get
Very
this is yours, Yummy.
And those for you.
Oh.
They're all for you.
What
What do you think that is? Yeah, sure.
They would open it. We can open it together.
This is a lot of opening, isn't it?
This is what I
Just like a pull. There, pull. Here, stick your finger in there and pull. Rip it open.
Whoa!
It's a claw?
He's gonna narrate the whole time. You're just like your dad.
Wow.
How's this work? Put your hand right in here and you go claw, claw, claw. It doesn't hurt. Watch, I'll do it to Yummy. Claw, claw. You can
Doesn't
grab
hurt.
things. Watch this.
You can pick things up. You go, well.
I can do this one.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna open this one.